This Suzanne Cook & Company bedroom real estate brokerage property video is presented by Claire Ballet, Realtor. Great space in Longview ISD. This updated kitchen has granite countertops, double oven and new flat surface cooktop. An oversized laundry room has built-ins, pantry and plenty of space to do the ironing. Access to the side yard and backyard make the large game room more than just a bonus living area. Vaulted ceilings, built-in bookshelves and a wood-burning fireplace create a wonderful living room. The fourth bedroom has tons of built-in storage in the closet, making it a wonderful craft or sewing room. Mature trees create a backyard oasis, and the covered patio is a great way to enjoy the space. Covered RV parking. The roof was replaced February-March 2020. There's plenty of room for family and friends, so make your appointment to see this lovely home. For more information,